Come in. Hi folks, and Susan, what do you fancy for dinner?
Nasi Goreng.
Nasi Goreng. Today is a no meat day, so we're going to cook up a Nasi Goreng Sayur, which is very popular in Indonesia. It's fried rice with vegetables. So if you want to see how I do it, how we do it, super style, come and join us. Let's go. So to start off with, we fry up the tofu and the tempeh. Until it's brown, using our trusted wok. Okay, so there's the tempeh tofu already cooked, still soft in the center. Let me try one. Very nice. That's still good warm. Next up, onions. It's a lot, sorry. These are a lot, we like a lot of bumbu, yeah? It won't be strong, but it will be nice. And a tiny bit more oil. Put in the carrots. Carrots can go in, they take longer to cook. Some people cook the carrots towards the end, so they'll still have a bite. Now we put the chilli in. We put one red chilli and two bird's eye chilies, so there's still a bit of heat in there. And then the garlic. Get rid of the pot. This Terasi in, which is shrimp paste. Now you don't have to use it if you're vegetarian vegan, but it does give flavour. Okay, so we're nearly cooked, but it's always good to do a quick taste to see how it is. So we've done the taste test. The chili's hot. If you don't like it too spicy, you can take the seeds out of the chili when you cut it. That's where all the heat is, yeah? Okay, folks. Give it a little taste. Very good. Vegetable fried rice. A la suka suka. If you like what you've seen, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.